Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can easily customize your home screen on KIVI Android TV. So first, click Settings and go down to Device Preferences. Here, scroll down until you see Home Screen, click it, and here you can customize channels like Prime Video. You can check that off. Now you can disable video and audio previews. Here you can reorder apps and games, and you also have many more, but it always drops you off of settings when you click reorder apps or games. Here you can also send feedback, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.